Making good progress on closing this in. This is on the front of the house, the left side, and I'm about to put the last piece in here. Then I can put the metal on, the aluminum back up, and then we're going to be ready to move on to the next task. And you can see the roof line's looking really good. This corner is much stronger now after rebuilding that. Now we still have this area here, but I'm going to save that for last. And you can see how the shingles dip down there. Now this part had fallen down at one point before we purchased the property. I think the spring before. And some people came in and rebuilt it and put it back in. So we're going to see what we run into here. It's going to be a little different, I'm sure. But either way, we'll deal with it and fix this all up. Plus, we're going to have to deal with this. So there's going to be some different work here. But I want to finish up the rest of the house, get all the overhang on, and then we'll work on the last part of the front. That's the strategy. Okay. Let's get our last board in here before the aluminum, and then we can move on to our next step. So the strategy is screwing. This board goes into the rafter tails with screws and nails. Same way with the board underneath. And then we have the second layer, screws and nails, screws and nails. And then we're going to have one more layer here, a third layer, and I'll go solid nails on that one because I'll have almost 2 inches of nailing material to nail into. That'll give us almost 3 inches of nailing to put the short rafters on. Okay, let's move on. Get this last piece up and move on to our next step.